Unlock the power to transform your personal photos into breathtaking AI art with Leonardo AI's image referencing feature. The key to using your own pictures in Leonardo AI lies in the image prompt. Feature this is where you'll upload the image you want the AI to draw inspiration from. Simply click the Upload button and choose your desired reference image from your device. This image will serve as the visual blueprint for your AI generation. Once uploaded, you can adjust the image weight. This slider controls how much influence your reference image has on the final output. A higher weight means the AI will stick closer to the original image's colors, composition, and subject matter. Experiment with this slider to find the perfect balance between your reference and the AI's creative interpretation. Don't be afraid to try different settings. Next, let's talk about the prompt itself. Even with an image reference, a descriptive text prompt is crucial. Tell Leonardo AI what you want to achieve. For example, if your reference is a sunset, you might prompt a surreal alien landscape at sunset to guide the AI. Combine your uploaded image with a specific text prompt to guide the AI towards your unique vision. The more descriptive your text, the better the AI can understand your intent. You can also leverage styles. Leonardo AI offers a variety of artistic styles. Choosing a style like cinematic or fantasy art will further shape how your image reference is interpreted. Finally, explore the variations option. This allows you to generate multiple interpretations of your prompt and image reference, giving you a wider selection of unique outputs to choose from. By masterfully combining your personal image references with descriptive prompts and stylistic choices, you're well on your way to creating truly personalized AI-generated art. Happy creating!